Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning about the 10 most commonly used conjunctions. Let's get started. So,
Quindi,
I was tired, so I slept.
ero stanco, quindi ho dormito.
Also,
Anche,
I like tea. I also like coffee.
mi piace il tè, mi piace anche il caffè.
Finally,
Alla fine,
finally, I found it.
alla fine l'ho trovato.
Anyway,
Comunque,
anyway, let's go.
comunque, andiamo.
Before,
Prima di,
wash your hands before dinner.
lavati le mani prima di cena.
After,
Dopo,
we can play football after school.
possiamo giocare a calcio dopo scuola.
As soon as,
Non appena.
call me as soon as you arrive.
Chiamami non appena arrivi.
As long as,
Per tutto il tempo che.
you can stay, as long as you want.
Puoi restare per tutto il tempo che vuoi.
Even if,
Anche se.
I will go even if it rains.
Ci andrò, anche se piove.
Actually,
In realtà,
actually, I don't know.
in realtà, non lo so.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.